right, you guys, I am opening up my butter tasting biscuits here. I already got one in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this into fourths. We are making a super easy and delicious dessert here. I've got my cherry pie filling, my apple pie filling, and my pumpkin pie filling, all in my large aluminum greased tins here. We're just gonna make sure we fill each one of our individual tins up. And I have a second tube of my butter tasting biscuits that I already cut up here. Okay, I got all my biscuit pieces in here. As you can see, I put a little bit more in the pumpkin filling one because it is a bigger can. Let's go ahead and release our pie fillings. Oh yeah, that is just what I wanted. It came out in one fell swoop because I put a hole in the bottom of the can. There we go. There we go. And now for the pumpkin. I hope this one comes out. Oh, Roxy scared me. There we go. Awesome. All right, now that we have all our pie fillings out, we have here some ground cinnamon. I'm just gonna do a little dash of cinnamon all over everything in here. Ooh, that's gonna be delicious with that apple and that cinnamon. And I'm just using these fall kind of holiday, let's put extra cinnamon on the pumpkin, holiday flavors here. But the beauty of this dessert is you can use any pie flavors you like. Okay, now we have some imitation vanilla extract. I know why imitation. Well, because I'm all out of the pure vanilla extract. So I am using imitation. I'm just gonna put maybe about a teaspoon or two into each of these. Let me know in the comments what flavor pie fillings you would use. Now we're just gonna take our spatula and we are going to just mix everything together right in each of our tins. These are going to be some delicious individual desserts. All right, you guys, this looks perfectly mixed. Our biscuit pieces are evenly distributed throughout our tins here. And these biscuits are just gonna bubble up and be just golden brown and delicious with these pie fillings. I cannot wait to eat this. It's gonna go in the oven at 365 for 30 to 40 minutes. All right, you guys, here is our delicious biscuit bubble up bakes. We're just gonna put these aside so they can cool. That was more like in the oven for like honestly an hour, I will say. So sorry about getting that wrong. I'm gonna make a delicious icing while those are cooling down. I have some powdered sugar. I'm just gonna add, not too much, maybe about a 1/3 cup, something like that. And then I have my whole milk here. And you just want to add a little bit at a time. And then we're just going to whisk it and see if we have a nice icing-like consistency. Okay, so I added a little more powdered sugar, a little more milk until I got my desired consistency. So we are going to move this out of the way. Okay. Now we are going to put our icing. I got a spoon so I can drizzle my icing all on top. Oof. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give the pumpkin one a try here. These biscuits look nice and golden, and I love pumpkin. Look at all that pumpkin. I think I might have actually been able to use another can of biscuits just because we had so much pumpkin pie filling. But oh my goodness, look at that perfectly flaky, buttery biscuit dough. It's gonna be so good. That's a winner.